Good day, everybody. This is Judd at White Wave Trading Strategies. It is Monday, the 11th of January. Just a quick update on some of the positions and what we've been talking about in the room. And I'm doing this for our friends in Asia that'll be waking up soon. Silver made a new high today. Obviously, we like that. Our positions have not changed in the silver. I did trim a little bit of silver earlier today, just a touch, and the silver miners, and that was just mainly for risk management purposes. Gold, silver, you can see the silver still leading. I want to get to this other chart page here. Just hang on one second. Here it is. Okay. The main thing here is that the silver is still gaining on the S&Ps. The gold broke down. The gold broke out last night against the S&Ps and are now trying to close under the cloud. If this starts extending, then I'm expecting much higher prices in gold, and for the gold to keep on leading. We've talked a lot about the Nikkei over the last couple of days. Some of the guys bought the hedged Japan ETF shares. This is a trade I like, is long Nikkei, short yen basically. The chart looks terrific. I'm still, positive on pretty much every place but here. The DAX looks great. The Eurostoxx 50 looks great. Even Mexico is getting ready to go. And, I like the setup here. So there you go. Get a country run by a woman. They have a positive stock market. The other thing I bought this morning, and a token position in this, was I bought the GE Vernova, because it started putting in a bottoming pattern at the 50-day earlier this morning, and we bought it down in here. And this is basically my token to the AI infrastructure play. So I put in a little of that. I like the trade location on it. A couple of the other names we discussed this morning, one was IBM. As long as I'm doing this, that looks good. This has been going sideways for 3 months. So this looks like it wants to go again. So this is a name I would keep an eye on. European banks still look good. I'm long the gold, the silver, the platinum, and a lot of the miners. Now, some of the miners have performed a lot better than others. One is Hecla. I had an alert down here in Hecla last week. On the 2nd, my alert went off and I bought silver instead of Hecla mining, and Hecla is actually up 7% more than the silver is. So a lot of these names look great. You just have to buy them, when they're for sale on big breaks. All right, so that's kind of the sit rep for now. If you'd like to come in and listen to the conversation every day, just type in whitewavetradingstrategies.com, go to my website, put in your name and email. You're welcome to join us in the room for a little bit and join the conversation. And that's it for today. Thank you.